Plybot started with the idea of making an easily assembled flat-pack 3D printer that was economical to produce. And after a few iterations, we honed in on the notion that anyone should be able to 3D print at home with no fuss. So it needed to be user-friendly and well-designed, a pleasure to use. We also thought it should sit on your desk like a little 3D printing buddy, a tough guy who can be in action all of the time, and that you can do all kinds of fun stuff with, not a one-trick pony. And here he is. Meet Plybot, the simple, easy way to bring 3D printing home. Combining state-of-the-art technology with approachable design, Plybot is uncomplicated, works beautifully, and won't break the bank. There's zero fiddling to get started. Just switch it on, and the superior onboard intelligence does the rest. Print anything with one tap through the Plybot app. It's also super quiet. Hear that? It's Plybot's trinamic stepper drivers and 32-bit ARM CPU working together to keep the volume down. Plybot loves you this much. His robotic arms cover a wide printing area. Since Plybot's design was inspired by humans, why not dress him up? Choose from loads of different colors and even customizable graphics for his arms, like camo patterns or the Incredible Hulk. Plybot is designed and assembled with love in California. This small and mighty printer will wow you with possibilities, and its super affordable price. After years of design and development, both inside and out, this is the best version yet. See for yourself how easy it is to bring the future home.
3D printing is amazing just because it's possible, but it needs to be easy.
So the math needed to calculate the positions of the arms is actually quite complicated, but we have a strong 32-bit processor, so that's no problem.
And one thing I really do like about Plybot is the way that it looks. I've not seen a single consumer 3D printer that looks quite like Plybot. And then you combine that with the fact you can simply hit print and an object comes out perfectly every time.
Plybot breaks through the price point that keeps people away from 3D printing.
Like, everybody loves it. So when I went to science fairs, you get a ton of kids crowding the stores because they just love the arms. They love how it moves like that. They'd watch it for like 15, 20 minutes, just entranced by it. That's what I liked about it. No other printers would like that.
The friendly factor of this is huge. It almost wants to reach out and hug you. If it could get its arms apart.
Please back us on Kickstarter to help Plybot and everyday 3D printing for everybody become a reality. Plybot, imagination in 3D.